Dear students, how are you all? Hope all of you are fine. Enjoying also? I'm here with the chapter 8. Okay, this is a poem. Chapter 8. The poem is The Rainbow Fairies. I think you are able to understand what is the meaning of that. Rainbow and fairies. Rainbow, you know, Vivjyor you call it, no? And in Hindi, you say Indradhanush, right? So, and how many colors are there? That also you know, 7 colors are there in a rainbow, and it's formed like this way, Vibgyor, right? Vibgyor, right? Now, in this poem, you will come to know that how rain falls, how rain forms. That also you can say. First I will read out, okay, and then I will step by step I will explain you. This is an imaginary story or incident, you can say. This is an imaginary story, right? And you know, poem is a short form of a big story, right? So in this poem we will come to know to the poet imagining how, what he is imagining that two clouds, they were running first, okay, in the sky. Two little clouds one summer's day went flying through the sky. They went so fast they bumped their heads and both began to cry. So nice, no? See, the poet, he is imagining that the two clouds are flying in the sky during that summer season and summer day, and both of them bumped to each other and then they started crying. What is the meaning of that? During summer season only we can have that rain, no? Sometimes thunder is also there, heavy thunder, okay? So when two clouds were running so fast, you can also see na, during that rainy season, and when it's about to rain, always we can see black clouds are there in the sky, right? So two clouds, little clouds, they were running so fast, they were flying so fast in the sky, and both of them bumped each other. So because of that, what happened? They started crying. What is the meaning of crying over here? Crying in the sense it started raining. थोड़ी वो रोएंगे तो दोनों क्लाउड जब एक दूसरे के साथ टकरा गए तो वो रोना स्टार्ट कर दिया. तब क्या हुआ? बारिश स्टार्ट हो गया. तो हम भी ऐसे कहते हैं ना, ऊपर हम देखते हैं कि ब्लैक क्लाउड्स आर देयर एंड व्हेन इट्स वेरी वेरी डार्क इन कलर, देन वी कैन गेस इट्स नाउ इट्स टाइम टू rain. Okay, so this way both of them were flying in the sky, and then both of them bumped each other, and because of that they started crying, in the sense it started raining. Old father son looked and said, "Oh, never mind, my dears, I'll send my little fairy folk to dry your fairy falling tears." Okay, to fall to cry your falling tears. So what he is saying, imagining that the son is their old father, right? Old father. And he said, old father's son said, "Don't worry, my dear children, I will send my little fairy folk to dry your falling tears. So don't cry. मैं अपना परी को भेजती हूँ, छोटी परी को, and it will help you to dry your uniform, in the sense to stop your crying, right? One fairy came in violet and one wore indigo. In blue, green, yellow, orange and red, they made a pretty bow. So the sun said कि okay fine, you go, I will send you fairy folk, means छोटी छोटी fairy को मैं भेज दूंगी, भेज दूंगा to help you to help your gown dry. Okay, So after that, what happened? First, indigo appeared in the sky. Okay, in through the near the clouds only. Then I, indigo appeared. Then third, blue. Fourth, green. Then red. Then red अभी आएगा. Vibgyor, VIBGYOR. Okay, so V, violet. I, indigo. B, blue. G, green. Y, yellow. O, orange. And R, red. So this way, this fairies, the sun, old sun sent uh, fairies to help to get dry the gown, because they started crying, in the sense ki they are coming to stop rain now. Okay, it's not like that they're coming to getting their gown dry. It's not like that. It's imaginary. It's an imaginary poet. So as if they're coming to dry their clothes, so all they came, and they, when they all are in a pretty line, all are in a pretty line, it looks so beautiful, no? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So they also stand like this way. See, they also stand like a violet, indigo, green. Okay, violet, indigo, blue. Yes, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So they also stand this way. And it's easily understood that this is all about how to rain forms, or how we can see a rainbow. Every time this is not possible to see a rainbow when heavy rain is there, and after the rain we can see in the sky rainbow. Rainbow has 7 colors. Okay, don't forget that with your word. Okay, so violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. It's so easy, no? So this way they wiped the cloud tears all away, and then from out the sky upon a little of sunbeams made they hung their gowns to dry. So after that, what happened, that in the sky, that uh, old father sun, he sent that fairies, means 7 colored. Okay, we can see now in the sky after the heavy rain. So this way he also sent 7 fairies, and all they are having the same color which we can see in a rainbow, right? And as the saint, as the old father say, old son or old father said, sent that fairies to cure the eyes, to dry the wipe, to dry the tears, to wipe the tears. So they came, and they did. And what is the meaning of that? Stop crying, in the sense, stop crying in the sense, it's not like that, means they have to stop their falling of rain. Okay, it has to stop, because for a long time we cannot see black clouds and rain, no? So because of that, he came to stop them. Okay, hope you understood. This is this much only. Thank you so much. Bye, take care.